You are now listening to our blog post titled Banking Tip of the Month: How to Navigate Unclaimed Property. Welcome to the Dream First Bank Banking Tip of the Month. This month, we're going to walk you through the process of identifying and navigating the unclaimed property website. It is crucial to understand unclaimed property and how to claim it, whether you are a member of the community or a banking customer. Now let's get started. What is unclaimed property? Unclaimed property is money or valuables that you own but have forgotten or left untouched for an extended period of time. Items in old bank accounts, left-out stocks or bonds, uncashed checks, or even items in a safe deposit box that you haven't checked up on may all qualify for this category. State laws take over to safeguard your rights when you forget about them. They force banks and other organizations to turn over these neglected assets to the state, where they will be held until the rightful owner, you, claims them. According to state laws, financial organizations such as Dream First Bank are required to hand over unclaimed property to the state's Unclaimed Property Division after a certain length of time. This assures that the state safely holds the unclaimed property until the rightful owner claims it. Why should you check for unclaimed property? Checking for unclaimed property is more than just uncovering lost assets. It's also about claiming what is rightly yours. These assets could be old bank accounts that you forgot to discontinue, income from investments you inherited, or insurance policies you had no idea existed. You and your family may receive a big financial boost or sense of closure by pursuing unclaimed property claims. It's like discovering a hidden treasure you didn't know existed. Whether it's a few $100s or more, every bit counts, especially during times of need. By claiming these assets, it may provide a feeling of closure, knowing that you've organized your financial affairs and claimed what is rightly yours. Furthermore, unclaimed property frequently includes sentimental artifacts, such as family heirlooms or papers, which have personal value in addition to their monetary worth. These objects might help you reconnect with your past and feel more connected to your family's history. How to navigate the unclaimed property website. 1. Visit the website. Visit https://unclaimedproperty.cas.gov using your web browser. 2. Locate the Unclaimed Property section. Front and center on the homepage is the search bar with the title, Find Your Unclaimed Property Now. 3. Search for your name. Type in last or business name in the first search bar and first name optional in the second search bar. Then click Search. 4. Review the results. Scroll to the second half of the page and a results chart will appear. This chart will have action, claim or share, owner name, co-owner name, if applicable, holder name, address, property type, for example, refund due, dividends, payment for goods and services, credit balance, act receivable, and more, property ID, and amount of money. 5. Find your name. Find your name in the chart and begin the claim procedure for unclaimed property by clicking on the Claim button. Then, click on Continue to File Claim. 6. Claimant relationship. Select your relationship to the claim, whether you are the owner, estate, heir, trustee, business, open-closed, power or attorney, or holder reimbursement. 7. Enter your current contact information. You will need to provide claimant type, last name, first name, your middle initial, date of birth, email address, confirmation, best contact phone number, social security number, or tax ID, country, address 1, address 2, city, state, zip code, and how did you hear about us. Then click Next and finish the steps to the claim process. 8. Stay updated. Track the status of your claim with the state's Unclaimed Property Division. They will advise you of any additional steps required to finish the claim. Get started today. The Unclaimed Property website is easy to navigate and may even result in the recovery of lost or forgotten assets. By spending a few minutes exploring this website, you may discover funds or items that can make a significant impact in your financial circumstances. We invite you to visit the website and look for unclaimed property for your loved ones, as well as for yourself. Claiming unclaimed property is a proactive step toward financial awareness and stability. It guarantees that all of your assets are accurately recorded and might provide you comfort in knowing that you are in charge of your financial situation. Furthermore, by claiming your unclaimed property, you keep it from being absorbed into the state's unclaimed property fund, where it may be more difficult for you to find in the future. Stay tuned for more banking tips and insights from Dream First Bank.